My name is Kelly. I live in Livingston. I had double full arch implants done at Premier Choice Dental. So when I was 8 years old, I was diagnosed with a muscle tumor in my back, cancer. I was treated with really high levels of chemotherapy and radiation, and those treatments caused my body to break down in various ways. One of them was my teeth. I think I was in middle school when I really started having a lot of dental work done. I'd go in to get my teeth cleaned and I'd have like 7 cavities. The first couple of times I had my teeth pulled, it was really painful and really emotional. Every time I went to the dentist, I had major anxiety, and it wasn't from not brushing. I brushed all the time. It was just the enamel was damaged on my teeth from I don't know if it was the chemo or the radiation or just a combination of the two. I just thought I was going to have a mouthful of bad teeth and eventually need dentures. I first heard about dental implants maybe 15 years ago as a potential down the road solution to what was going on in my mouth, the constant work I was having to have done. I just like the idea of having all of my teeth pulled, even though they were a disaster of teeth. It was nerve-wracking and scary. The receptionist was super friendly and very helpful and encouraging, and so I made an appointment like that week to come in. Well, I was really nervous and apprehensive about what I was going to be going through. They made me feel like it was okay. I shouldn't be ashamed, basically, of where my mouth was with my teeth, because that wasn't something that I could actually control. For the first time I've ever felt like there was a light at the end of the tunnel. I never heard any drills. I came in, I went to sleep, and I woke up. I did not have a lot of pain. I was actually really surprised. I didn't need the pain medication that they sent me home with at all. It was easier than I expected it to be. Something that I was really afraid of was just not having any teeth at all for a period of time, and that didn't happen because they put in temporary bridges the day that I had all of my teeth pulled. So I was never toothless. Not in pain, and like kind of groggy. I don't remember a lot of it. It wasn't traumatic like I expected it to be at all. It's just totally worth the time and the small amount of effort you have to go through to actually get implants. I feel more confident. I smile easier without there being this little nagging thought in the back of my head, like, oh, I'm exposing my bad teeth. All of those anxieties are gone. It's just like it's like a new lease on life. It really is. If someone told me that, I'd be like, that's cheesy. But and I don't care if it's cheesy. It's true. It's a new lease on life.